This 2023 Winnebago Forza 34T is a Class A RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Winnebago is 35 feet 6 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 8, DVD player, slideout, awning, water heater, refrigerator, Colorado detector, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, TV, leveling jacks, and 84 gallons fresh water capacity. The floorplan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, front bath, front dinette, front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment. This 2023 Winnebago Forza 34T is built on a Freightliner chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.